Hope everybody's having a Bealy good day. Back out here, checking out to see how the pond's gone. And Let's Dig, he said that the burn pile's ready in the back, so I'm gonna get some drone footage, fly back there. It's supposed to get a lot of rain in today, and that should make it where we can burn. And update on the little chickens. So it looks like there's 8 of them. I counted, I believe it was 10 to begin with, maybe 9, so we've lost 1 or 2. And I tell you what, if I get them in from the hatchery, then out of 10 we probably would have lost at least 1. So not bad odds for just being out here, you know, on the farm. So I guess the old rooster's doing its job so far anyway, so we'll see how it goes. Put out some water and feed, but I mean mostly these chickens just live off the land. They don't, you know, I supplement them whenever I come out, but that's it. So we're going to do a walkthrough tomorrow and determine the layout of the bathroom so I can start on the plumbing. So that door's in. So that worked out pretty well. Long story short with this door is I wanted that design, but they did not offer it in any swing out. And so I just decided to buy a regular door that was a swing out, and went to pick it up, and all they do is there's a little bit different hinges on it and a little plate on the bottom. Even on the doors you buy that are made for swing out, they still point the wrong way. They're just a little bit deeper. I mean, a little bit smaller. And I was like, screw this, I'm not going to pay for a door I don't even like. So I went and picked that one out, and my framers modified it to be an outswing door. So they did some work to the framework and turned the plate around. And the hinges that come on, I was like, well, I'll just change the hinges later. But the actual hinges that come with this one actually swing out as far as I need it to. I mean, they go all the way to the wall. So unless someone can tell me something I'm missing, I mean, that kind of does what I need it to do. But you know, all the soffits are done now. They weren't, I don't think they've got to do up top there. I need somebody to do a metal roof. There's somebody that'll come to North Carolina, eastern North Carolina, kind of near northeast of Raleigh, and want to do the metal roof on the addition. Shoot me an email. It's on the channel page, or comment. You know, we need the repair done where the 2 chimneys went through. That's just temporary stuff we did to keep water out. So we need repair done on that, and I need a stand-in seam. I do not want a screw down roof. It's a 312 pitch. Just want stand-in seam across there. Something close to the original would be great, but it doesn't have to be exact. Probably wouldn't get exact anyway, but you know, something decent. And hit me up. Need that to happen. So would love to have somebody that's has good reviews, does good work, and would like to be featured on the channel. So it could be a win-win. So Tim came through here, graded that off some, and you know, this was a big pile of trash. We still got bricks from the chimneys piled up there, and the stone from the fireplace is piled up there. That's just going to stay for now. We'll get to organizing that better at some point, probably when we know what we're doing with it. I'm going to do a video before and after pretty soon. There at the end of the brick pile is where the outhouse was, and then this was a big huge fallen over tree was here, and then there was a pile of metal and just crap all back here. So give you an idea where we're at. And then off in the distance past the piles is the toilet that's still there. When I did the walkthrough with Chris in the woods, we haven't touched that, so that's got to get tossed, but that gives you reference of some things. All right, picked up the grass seed, so we're going to put this down next week, and that's going to take care of where Chris cleared the path to the back and the acre in the back. We just needed something for erosion control and kind of get us through the next year where everything settles and where it goes. So this was the recommendation. This is who Chris uses, so there we go. Just take the grass seed off the truck and just put it here in the barn. I guess we got a little bit of water. Good news is that I don't think that water has ran out. Seems to be holding. Hopefully we get some heavy rains and fill this thing in, but you know, it ended up being a nice little farm fishing pond. It's not massive by any means, but it'd be good to bring the kids down, do some fishing. The ducks will like it. The water level will come up to that brown area, so it'll be pretty, you know, close to that anyway. There you go. That's the view up towards the barn and the house. Yeah, I bought the grass seed today. Y'all saw that in the video, so we'll get that spread possibly this weekend, and you know, get that coming up and all. I mean, it's gonna be pretty nice out here. Pretty nice. There you go, half-acre pond. Done. Just got to put in the overflow.